In this video, I'll show you how to download and install eFootball on any Android phone. Let's begin. First, open Chrome and paste the mentioned link in the description. Then scroll down and tap on the download button. And press the back button to exit the ad. It will automatically refresh your page. Now again, tap on the download button. Scroll down and tap on Download XAPK. Now wait for the XAPK file to finish downloading. Once done, download Z Archiver from the Play Store. I have already downloaded it. Now, allow permission. Go to the download folder, and as you can see, here is the XAPK of the eFootball app. Tap on that and then install. Now wait for it to finish installing. And then install. And done. Let's check the game. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.